Grumpy, and welcome to another episode of Grumpy Outlaw Kitchen, where today we're doing pizza, outlaw style. Alright, today we're doing pizza. I know everybody does things their way, but today we're doing things my way. And we're going to go ahead and start off with the cheese. We're going to start off with our Scotch ale beer cheddar. We're going to hop right into our tomato and olive Monterey Jack. And then we're going to finish off with the alpine style cheddar rosemary. And these are going to be the main ingredients for our cheese. And then we're going to end it with our goat cheese. And that's going to give us our tart flavor that we're going to want for this. Then we're going to go with our bell peppers and our green onions and chives. We're going to go with our mushrooms, already pre-sliced, with baby bellas. Then we're going to go with uncured pancetta, and that's going to give us our bacon flavor for this. And then for the base, we're going to use, of course, Ribdoctor Caribbean Sweet barbecue sauce. So let's go ahead and hop right into it, shall we? All right. Now, first thing you want to do, I'll go ahead and get a third cup of Ribdoctor Caribbean Sweet barbecue sauce. We're going to go ahead and drain it in there like that and do one more. And just like that. And we're going to go ahead and get the spoon and just stir it all over the back of the pizza. Make sure we get it everywhere. Just like this. Nice and easy, smooth and easy. And we're going to go ahead and add our cheese. So we want to make sure that we get the cheese everywhere so that the cheese is in every bite. So we have our shredded cheese here, and we're going to finish off with our goat. Just like that. It's okay to use big globs because it's going to melt down. Then we're going to go ahead and start doing our mushrooms. Again, layering just enough to get all the flavors in there combined. Then we're going to kick back with our green onion and bell pepper mixture. Smooth and easy. And then we're going to do it just like that, getting everything in there. I know it looks a little chaotic, but just bear with me. Then we're going to go ahead and get our uncured pancetta. Go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of pancetta here on top, just like that, looking real nice. And then we're going to go ahead a little bit more. And then we're going to end with our chicken. And all I did for the chicken, I got pan-seared it with salt, pepper, lemon pepper, and that's it. And I just diced it up. So what we're gonna do now is put it on the pizza, add a little barbecue sauce, and that's about it. So just like that, smooth and easy. Nice and chunky. I don't know about you guys, but I like my chicken on my pizza just a little bit chunky. Now what we're gonna do, to finish this off before we go in the oven, is to give a little drizzle of barbecue sauce to top the pizza, and then throw it in the oven. All right. So what we're gonna do, point the bottom real easy like that, just back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, just like that. Get the pieces we missed, bang, boom, bang. We'll go ahead and throw this bad boy in the oven for about 10 to 15 and see what we get when we're done. All right. So we finished our pizza out of the oven after 20 minutes. We already go ahead and cut it. So here we are with our finished product, our Grumpy barbecue and mushroom pizza with a little bit of garnish to go a little bit long way. I'm Grumpy, and thank you for watching Grumpy Outlaw Kitchen. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Holla.